Good morning everyone, welcome back to my bird video. I'm looking at this beautiful dove up on the tree. This is the closest I can zoom in. Spring is definitely here. This morning when I come outside, I hear the birds singing on the trees. The sun is shining. There's definitely sign of spring season coming everywhere. And this lovely dove perching up high on that tree, sunbathing, and it's just beautiful, just beautiful. I wish I could zoom in closer, but this is the closest that I can get to the dove, and it's just beautiful. The sun is shining and the clear blue sky as the background. I start seeing some flower budding, which mean that cherry blossom will be blooming soon. And I already marked my calendar and plan on attending the cherry blossom parade in Washington DC. I have not been back there for so many years. Unfortunately, life keep getting in the way. But I'm gonna make a vow to myself that this year, spring 2021, I will be attending the cherry blossom parade. That would be on my to-do list of the thing to do in Virginia and DMV, Maryland, Virginia, and Washington DC. It is beautiful, that bird. And what is great is that it stay up there for a longer time than other birds that I've been following and observing. This past week, and I don't know if you can hear the sound of the bird around me, but it's beautiful regardless. It's chirping everywhere. Bird. Unfortunately, spring also bring allergy season, and I do have seasonal allergy every springtime. I am allergy to pollen from flower and cats. So I've been taking medication, allergy medication every year, because I don't believe they have a cure for allergy, seasonal allergy. But I'm just enjoy listening to the bird singing on the tree above. As you can see, the sky is so clear. There's no trace of cloud anywhere. Oh, I just saw I forgot the name of the bird, just flying by. So I'm gonna try to get closer and zoom it in. if I could. I will do my best. Is it on the ground now? Yes, it is. Yes, it is on the ground. Hopping around. It's getting closer to the rice ball that I put out. That is awesome though. It's getting closer to the rice ball that I put out under the tree. That is awesome. Come on, baby. Come on. There is plenty of rice for everyone. Just come and get it. Just come and get it. That is so cool. Oh. You are beautiful. Wow. Look at this airplane that's flying by above me. It leaves a straight white line. It's just beautiful, across the sky, and it's going at a very fast speed too. Wow, it is really amazing. Yep, it's going so fast I can barely keep up. Bye bye, airplane. Look like a Jets to me. Wow, beautiful. Just beautiful. Wherever you go, wherever you are heading, bon voyage.